Winter? Nope, not us. We've traded snow shovels for sunshine and parkas for flip-flops. We're snowbirding in Southern California, and our RV adventures always lead us to the most unexpected places. This time, it's Bombay Beach on the Salton Sea, a desert oddity that's as quirky as it gets. Let's see what they got.
Just come down out of the mountain area, and there's the Salton Sea. That's the first chance we've got to, that's right, see it. Alright, here it is, the Salton Sea. Definitely not getting out there in it. I've heard it's polluted, and I don't know why, but I'll tell you, it doesn't look very good. Okay, bring it, ladies, bring it. I'm waiting. Got all day. Maybe tomorrow too. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
You gotta love when people have a good sense of humor. I don't know if you can read that or not, but it says drought-resistant landscape. Sure looks pretty drought-resistant to me. You can even charge your Tesla at the Salton Sea. Thermal station.
I've been waiting here about 10 minutes and I can't seem to get a drink. I thought this was the all-you-can-drink beer buffet. He even wore the shirt.